Okay guys, so today, day 3, we're going to get the calcium hardness up to 300, raise it up. So that's going to be another 14 pounds of calcium chloride. I've already put in 8. I'm going to save the rest to show you guys how to put in calcium chloride into a pool. Okay, so now the way we're going to do that is, we will take our 1.8, we'll times our 100 that we have to raise it, times our 1.33 equals 239 ounces. Now we'll divide that by 16. That gives us another about 14 pounds. Okay, so I put in 8 right now already. So each one of these is about 2 pounds. So put in 8. So there's 10. There's 12. And there's 14. Okay, so now, the way we're going to add this is put the bucket into the water and let it fill up. And the calcium chloride dissolves really fast, so let it fill up and then just slowly kind of like to let it pour into the pool. Okay? Have your pool running, which it is, and we'll just slowly pour it in. And just keep doing this basically until all your calcium chloride is into the pool. And this is how you add calcium chloride into the pool. Now normally what you do is, like when you add in calcium chloride, you don't want to add soda ash or baking soda, anything with a higher pH, because you could cause a scaling effect of the water because you're adding a higher pH with this stuff. But boric acid we're not going to have to worry about that, and we're going to put that in the shallow end over there anyways. Let's just put in the rest of it here. All right, there's the last of the borates, and now I also wanted to mention that calcium chloride, the 100% is, like I said earlier, 1.33. Salt is also 1.33. That's how you would also figure out salt. Salt is 1.33, and so is conditioner. Conditioner is also 1.33. So you figure out all of those would be the same figure. So 1.8 times the amount you want to bring it up times 1.33, and that'll give you the amount that you need for all 3 of those chemicals. So on day 3 of the startup, what Bob wants us to do is bring the calcium level up to 300. And I came by earlier today and put in some liquid conditioner. So they want you to put a conditioner on the 3rd day and then bring the chlorine level up to a 10 ppm. Now, why 10 ppm? Well, because you figure most of that is going to be off gassing anyways. Because it has nothing in here to hold on to it. So you're going to lose most of that chlorine anyways. And I use liquid conditioner in this pool so it'll go in a lot faster and hold my chlorine. So I didn't quite bring it up to 10. I kept it probably around 7, up in that area. All right, we're good here. So we got the last of our borates in. We got the last of our calcium chloride in, and this pool is good to go. Now today, when I took the readings, I had a 7.8 pH, 124 alkalinity, and the same calcium hardness. Now the reason that pH went back up to 7.8 again is because of the spa. Yeah, you got the aeration going on right there. Just that little bit of aeration is going to raise the pH, because that pH more than likely came down because that's a lot of boric acid that we put in there. So the pH came down, and then the aeration brought it back up again overnight. Brought calcium levels to 300, conditioner in the pool, chlorine in the pool. Ran the numbers on this yesterday, and we're at a 0.21 on the LSI. And let's just see where we are right here on the LSI when we bring it up to a 300. Let's go with the pH. Let's go with the 7.7. It's going to drop it down. Let's go our alkalinity. I'm not going to touch the alkalinity in this thing yet, so let's go 124. Conditioner, go 30. Borate, so we got 50. Calcium hardness is going to be 300. TDS is 600 in a new pool, and the temperature right now is about 75 degrees. And we have a 0.28, 0.28 LSI. I don't know if you can see that. So that's ideal right now. And I'm sure that pH will drop down below 7.7, so that it's going to be an awesome pool. Anyways, we're within ranges, we're balanced, and the pool's looking good, and that's all that matters right now. All right, finished up day 3, day 4 tomorrow.